we think she's done with the food now.
Yeah.
She probably smells where the tuna was over there or something.
Why is it not focusing?
Or where we dripped a little bit of it out.
Yeah.
She's
going back to lick it?
Yeah, I think so. Did I get everything out of there?
Wow, that's so funny.
Nope. Maybe. Sticking her whole dang head in there. Yeah, we did have an extra bowl, but we threw it away because it was outside for a long time. It got all nasty for Fuzzy, so...
Yeah, there was literally a heartworm. Not a regular earthworm, but a heartworm in it. You could see it. And it was big.
Yeah, we just chuck it.
Shut up. Angry Birds! Hold on. Dude.
Oh, I took the...
I don't think she cares anymore. Hey, Papa, I'm going to test something.